This probably like the second coat. I don't even know what coat I'm on. I think this is second. Cause I spray so much material. That's why you always see it's hella foggy in my shop when I'm painting. I'm spraying a lot of material. A shitload of material. You know what I mean? That shit gonna be on there. It's gonna be thick. That way when we come back, if I ever need to wet sand it to get those little dirt nibs and stuff out, there's plenty of material in there. Got all that black up in there. Had a little small flaw popped up on the hood, but it is what it is. At this point in time in the game, I have to keep on moving forward. And that's always be my biggest problem. I know it's right here somewhere. And it actually looked like I might have buried it with the clear, but it was a flaw that popped up. As y'all can see, it is dirt nibs in there. Am I saying I'm giving a perfect paint job? No. But I will get you wet, and you know what I mean? I get the shit done. So I know y'all like, man, where did he get this car from? Well, this is my little cousin's car. And he had been talking to me about, he wanted to get some things done to this car. And I was just like, man, excuse me. You know, it's an old cop car. Man, if you bring it to me, I'll do what I can to help you. So he brought the car on out here. He had a couple days to spare and to leave the car with me and everything. So yesterday we did a lot of prepping. He didn't really want to be on the camera as much, but I'm just looking at everything right now, doing my overview, what I'm gonna need to do, how I'm envisioning doing masking it all off. So he didn't want to talk about the car. He kind of didn't really want to be involved in my YouTube and everything. So I respect it. It's my little cousin. I respect, you know, his wishes. But as y'all can see right there, this is the cop car. It still has some of the patrol numbers. And they come with these plugs. We took them out the trunk. It's an actual wire they ran to the ones in the trunk. So we did the ones on the, I grinded them down already. I put an 80 grit rough out, hit it with the bare metal. And I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull a plug from the bottom side. I'm gonna tack weld it, and then I'm gonna come back and run a full stitch, grind that down, fiberglass resin it, and sand that down. I'm gonna leave those with primer spots, and I will be coming back and probably doing panel by panel. But right now, I just need him to get the front done. He did do some swaps. This is, I believe, more of a Scatpack front, or maybe possibly a Hellcat hood. I don't know exactly what it is, but my cousin got it. He got it how he wanted. He just wanted me to help him paint it black gloss. On these areas right here, on those little breakthroughs, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray over them. This is an aftermarket hood. I know that much. I know that we sanded everything. Is this the ideal way to do this? Not at all. I would definitely tell a person to do it each piece individually to avoid bridging. I do understand that, but this is where we at with this car, and we need to go ahead and get it back on the road. And being that what the real hang up was is with this hood, with this front bumper, a lot of parts are missing. So I had to improvise, cut some pieces, make some pieces work. I damn near had to zip tie this thing together. I'll show y'all the back side. We kind of rigged up some pieces to work. And putting those bolts so that grill will actually work, making the grill work. I think I'm actually gonna try to cut a couple more of those pieces real quick and go ahead and try to do that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it because I need that downtime. That's what I'm gonna do, because I need to make the most of getting the paint on the car. So, but y'all can see that this is really one piece holding it up, and then on the top side of this grill, those inserts wasn't on the original bumper. Neither was this piece, this insert right here. There was another piece. Those fog lamps were not on there. Those vents. This is the old bumper. This is a 2016. And it had a real bad crack. It didn't have the fog light options on there when it came in. We swapped the grill. It's a different style grill, different size vents, and yada, 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 man. If you're a Scatpack Dodge lover, which I don't really know all the codes and everything to them. I just know I have one job, and that's to get this thing wet. So we was pressing on it, scratched it up after we prepped it, made a couple mistakes. I'm gonna try to just hit this a little bit on these edges, bring that down just a tad bit more, get that lip off of there, and hit it with some adhesion promoter on this right here on the bumper. I'm probably gonna wet sand that a little bit more with some 400. Just try to get these edges a little bit more flat. I think that's come from us just roughhousing it on the ground, trying to put these pieces in there. And we may just leave it on the stand this last go around, because what's really been giving me the hard time is these holes right here with these recessed bolts. It got recessed holes for these bolts. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, being that this wasn't on here originally. I don't know if I have 6 clips to spare. I just took some clips and I'm making it work. I'm rigging them up. So my goal is to do like 1, 2, 3, possibly 4. So it'll probably be like 2 in the middle and 2 in the end. And then it'll probably be 1 missing here in the middle and 1 missing over there on that end. But that should be good and secure. A lot of this stuff pops in. And yeah, so that's the introduction to this car. I'm finna go ahead and get to it. But y'all stay tuned, man. We still got a lot of stuff going on with the Monte Carlo. I've been making a lot of content with it, and I'm just kind of piecing the videos together. I really was hoping that my cousin will want to be in this video and be more active with me on this one. But it is what it is. Hopefully he'll be coming back and we'll just do some time-lapse content of me putting the car back together, because I don't have no help here for real, and I don't want to scratch this stuff up, doing everything by myself. And, you know, that's just how I feel. I feel more comfortable when I have help. But y'all stay tuned.
Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, roaming out the roof. Walk like, talk like, move like juice. Walking like, talking like, moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Jumping out the, hopping out the, evacuate the truck and then again.
So I got cuz little wheels covered up. I think they're probably like some 22s he got on there. I definitely covered that black glass. That's my main thing. I don't have enough plastic to cover the whole car. I know that some of this overspray, it'll fall on it. It won't stick. But it is what it is. I'm trying to do this job on the bare minimum. So as long as the glass and the rims don't get no overspray on them, because we're gonna probably eventually have to respray the whole car. But I'm just looking at it, and I may just throw some more plastic and tape over there just real quick. I don't have no more plastic, but I think I'm gonna have to let that go. I might have to just come back and hit it with some reducer, try to get some of the overspray off of it, because the overspray is definitely gonna hit. Damn, man, I don't wanna do this. because I think this black looks pretty good already. But it is what it is. I just got to just cut my air pressure down, not be spraying with a lot of air pressure, I guess. Try to just, because it's really, for me, I spray that clear coat really heavy. I hate that I don't have enough material to do this job, but I'm doing this one as a favor for my little cousin. I got a little bit of space right here. I'm gonna throw some tape over that. And as long as the glass though is good, all this other stuff I'm gonna respray, probably body work it, and we'll probably respray the whole car, honestly. Just when he's coming back, probably for summer because he's in college, and probably when he has a bigger budget because he's not really working with a huge budget this go around. And the real focus is making sure everything just kind of looks somewhat together, keeping it low key, and getting that metal work done. So I did find out I have a little bit of red Bondo here. Like I said, I'm just trying to put it together with the bare minimum. But you know, in this body shop business, man, everything is so expensive. Like a roller tape is $6 just to do half of this car. I already used the whole roller tape and some. The plastic is probably like almost $30 a roll. So you give or take, just in plastic, and to do this job correctly, plastic and tape, I probably would have been $42 of just that alone. Plus I'm gonna need reducer. I'm a little low on my thinner. I'm gonna need thinner. You know, it adds up really quick, you know, and being that I'm just really doing them a favor. I can't put myself in the tight because I have my own project. Some people say, hey, well, why did you take the job on? You know, I took the job on because I really wanted to do this car. And I'm really itching to spray something because my car is not ready to be painted. So for me to even waste my time right now with the Monte Carlo, it would be pointless. But my cousin, he gonna look out for me, and I'm gonna look out for him. That's what family's supposed to do. But I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna be done talking, I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse. I'm gonna cut on my little vent, and I'm gonna throw my headphones on, and I'm gonna zone out. Start mixing up this paint. So, let's go. Yep.
I don't really need a reason. I was at the bottom with them bloods, it was anemic. I don't wanna talk about it, way too hot, it ain't the season. Staying low key, what's luxury, hey, you seen them. Got me looking like I'm out about it, fun is my demeanor. Here at the location, and I'm getting out the leaner. I ain't doing no complaining, I'm just trying to get the beamer. Trying to get the bag of women popping out the show. And I only act that woman putting on the show. Cooking up the product, then I put it up for show. Better pay me like I'm Kirko, I'm a whipping with the dough. Hands so tight, I'll captivating when I flow. Even when I'm in the dark, I still can manage with the glow. Haven't given up because my flag is on the pole. This is just another lover, ex Mario, you know.
Sneaking in the building, and I'm coming out the window. Got no baby mama, but I hit a couple widows. Love me when I'm down, but it's hate when I get sendo. Never in the back because I'm black and got the stilo. Promising it never gonna be another me though. I can help them win some rings even when I'm getting zero. Dog 30 heat, King James, you a hero. Try to do as Romans, everybody can't be Nero.
Walk like, talk like, move like, juice. Walking like, talking like, and moving like, ooh. Bigger cycle, motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, roaming out the ooh. Walk like, talk like, move like. Motorcycle, jumping out the roof. Smoking like, drinking like, roaming out the ooh. Walk like